I mean, at this point, the only thing easier than making Rasta pasta is subscribing to One Plate Gourmet for regular weekly content and the best ingredient recipes. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Just switch these over. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet, the show where you pick the ingredient and we make the dish that it is. So without further ado, ladies, gentlemen, and others, Rasta pasta. 1 cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1.5 tablespoon jerk seasoning, half teaspoon paprika, 1 clove garlic, 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 scallions, 3 halves of bell peppers of 3 different colors, salt, black pepper, and about half a pound or 1.5 cups of penne pasta. Okay, so we're only gonna need about half of each bell pepper, so go ahead and do just that. Then using our knife, we will julienne these peppers, which is just fancy lingo for cutting them into strips. This is where having 3 colors makes the pasta stand out. I mean, you could use multicolored pasta, but then it just doesn't taste as good. Up next, we'll cut our green onions. We want them to be medium cuts and not too fine because reasons. But no, because we have no meat in this dish and I refuse to use mushrooms, we'll have to settle for this. Lastly, it's our one little piece of garlic that we have to finely mince because we want all our flavors to spread out evenly. To a pot of water, salt, and oil, let's bring it to a boil and cook our penne pasta till al dente, about 8 minutes or so. While we wait, let's prepare our sauce. For that, it's going to be pretty straightforward. Start with the peppers and green onions and cook them till they get nice and soft over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then throw in your jerk seasoning. You can use any store-bought brand, mild or spicy if you're daring enough, or you can even make your own. Next, you want to add about 1 cup of heavy cream. You can also opt out and use Alfredo sauce if your lactose tolerance levels don't permit it. Add some paprika, onion powder, and parsley and gently mix it, making sure to not spill anything or cause a mess because you'd have to clean it, not me. At this point, go ahead and add in our mozzarella cheese and freshly grated Parmesan to the sauce. It should be about 1/4 cup for both of them. Your sauce should begin to look creamy and just a little bit stringy, but not too thick. If you feel like you overdid it with the cheese, add some more cream, but with these measurements, you should be fine. Our pasta should be almost done at this point, so go ahead and add them in with a little bit of that pasta water. Mix it in and cook on medium to low heat for a couple more minutes till done, and taste to see if it's to your liking. If not, a little salt and pepper can go a long way, or just add more jerk seasoning. And we're done. Just add some more Parmesan on top to your liking, and this portion will be about 2 serving sizes. So there you have it. Hey guys, this might be the last time I'm recording in this studio. I'll be moving and I'll be taking my cooking channel with me. So stay tuned for the next location. Might be a while before I put out another episode, but you'll be alright. YouTube's gonna do what it does. Subscribe, like, comment, and watch whatever video they put up here. Thanks for watching.